Alright, I'm going to show you quickly a couple ways to submit assignments in Schoology. So you'll see here that I'm in an assignment that I have to create for a development course that I'm doing. So whenever you're submitting an assignment for me, you will see this button here that says Submit Assignment. So if you click on that, it's going to pop up this window here. You're going to have three choices: Upload, Create, and Resources. So I'll go over Create first because that's the one you'll use least. If you click Create, notice you have this little typing box, so you can type stuff in there. So this would be used if I ever ask you to complete maybe a short discussion post, or maybe just an answer to a question. So anything that you type in here, if you click Submit, it will submit it as the assignment. If, however, you start working on something in here and you don't have time to finish it, you can click Save Draft, and it will save that for you in Schoology so you can access it later. However, I would not recommend doing many things in this box because, again, like I mentioned in class, if something were to happen to the internet or your browser were to crash, there's a good chance you'll lose everything you get done in here, so I would not recommend typing lengthy assignments here. If you go back to this Upload tab, you may use this relatively often, so when you're here, what students will often do is type some stuff in here and then try to submit it, but it will not allow you to do that. So what you have to do actually is click on this File button, and then this will allow you to choose a file that you have previously saved. Alright, so maybe you have a PDF that you want to submit to me, or you have a Word document that you want to submit to me. So if you click this little File button, you can choose one of these files that you have pre-created in your computer, and if you click on one of those and click Open, you'll notice it will attach that file here. So that's how you submit using this Upload tab. However, what you will do most often is this Resources tab. So notice if you click Resources, here it's going to show the resources that I have created in Schoology, so you will probably not see anything here yet. So when you click on Resources, if you click on this Apps button, you will have a list here that says Google Drive Resource App. So if you click on that, it may ask for permission to access your Google Drive. So if that's the case, you want to click the button that says Approve, but I have already approved it on my computer. So you'll notice here, these are all of the things that I have created in my Google Drive. So if you have created an assignment in Google Drive, where most of our assignments will be created, then you're going to use this Apps and then Google Drive button, and then you'll find here, you can scroll down and see all of the things that you've ever created, and then you're going to click that. And when you click it, you have two options. You can either go up here and click Import, and then click Import File, and then it will attach it, or you could go over here and click this little button, and then click Import File. So either way, when you do that, you'll get this little progress bar, and then you'll notice it will be submitted right here. So those are the three ways to submit something. If you ever have a question, feel free to shoot me a message. However, please do not share things with me on Google Drive, because then my Google Drive gets filled with things. So if you have any questions, just feel free to shoot me a message.